Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my lashes because everyone always asks me, so I'm going to show you. Let's go.
Welcome to the G's unit.
So a lot of you are asking me what I do for my lashes. I only pay like $6 or $7 plus the glue, but I already have the glue, so I only pay like $6 or $7. This is what the lashes are. I will link it down in the description. I love those lashes too, but I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so what you're going to need a mirror, you're going to need the glue, lashes, and a pair of scissors. Let's go. Okay, so I just set up the mirror right in front of me here. First thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut the lashes to your eye. I've been doing this for a while now, so I kind of know already how much to cut off. So I normally just cut off like that much. Now, there's always this little I don't know if you can see it or not. There's always like this little piece at the end. Cut that off because that's going to hurt your eye and annoy you. There's my lash. Woo! Okay, so once you have them cut out and they're ready to go, the next thing that you're going to want to do is take the bond and you're going to want to put it on your eyelashes and also on the top rim of this, like the end right here, because the lashes are going to go underneath of your eyes. They're not going to go on top. And that's the secret to making them look like natural and not look like they're just, the fake lashes. Alright, so now you're going to wait about 15 seconds before applying this so that the glue can get more of like a tacking instead of just like the liquid. So make sure that you bend it a little bit so that it shapes your eye. Put it on like that. Okay, so if they're on, you like the way that they look and everything, you can adjust them. You can like pull them, push them up, everything like that. If you like the way they look, then you're going to take the seal end and you're going to put it on the tops like this on both sides. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot. And it looks like this. Make sure you don't have any excess like on your actual lid because it does get sticky. Don't get discouraged if at first you can't figure it out or you're getting a little frustrated. Just keep trying. You'll get it. I think the biggest thing is making sure that you shape the eyelash to your eye as you're sticking it on. So if you saw I was like bending it, make sure that you do that. Okay, so you just let that dry and you have yourself some really nice lashes. Makes you look alive, more awake. I don't wear makeup much, so I love wearing these for 3 days, and I'll take them off. I'll either wash them or throw them away and put a new pair on. I've heard people say that they can wear them for up to 2 weeks. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with your girl, Gina Ray. Peace out, G's Unit.